The movie Satya is an excellent movie. It's Ram Gopal Verma's direction. It's about two groups which were opponents in the beginning, how, and who was a political figure, and the other was Bhiku Matre, who was Manoj Pashpai, and there were other like Makarand Deshpande and three, four more candidates were there. They were into criminal activities, but they were basically good human beings, not like Bhao, who was also corrupt. And what happened, there came a man called Satya, who joined the group. And then the real fun started because Bhao was very fearful of him. And he was a real diplomat. He actually showed that he was very much in love with them, but he was actually cooking up some kind of criminal assault. And there was a man Guru Narayan, who was from Bhao's group, and he was killed by this group, Vitu Matre's group, Bhiku Matre's group. And there is also Saurabh Shukla, who has enacted the role quite well, and there's a songs are really nice, especially गोली मार भेजे में भेजक शोर करता है. This song is really nice, and even other सपने में आती है. And the movie, basically what I didn't like about the movie was the end part. He was so nice. He even bought even a ring for his girlfriend Urmila Matondkar, who was just neighbor opposite staying. They got friendly and he was madly in love with her, but he didn't reveal his identity because he was a criminal. And he even bought a diamond ring worth 1 lakh. He had a very big heart and he had a very good nature. He really loved him. It was kind of, real love. But she didn't bother to even look at him or even open the door in the last moment of his life when he was shot dead. And he got an opportunity to fly to Dubai with his friend who was called Kallu Mama, Saurabh Shukla, but he declined the offer. He said, unless I meet her, I'm not going. Just he wanted to catch a glimpse of her, and even he knew that he's going to be shot dead because most of his friends were shot dead by Bhao, and Bhao himself was killed because he was responsible for killing killing Bhiku Matre. That was Manoj Bajpayee. And since Manoj Bajpayee and Satya were very close buddies, Satya killed him during this ceremony, Ganesh ceremony. And he knocked the door, she didn't open, she didn't have any feelings for him that point of time. That was the thing which I felt very bad about, because she was carried away by what the cop said. He said that he was into flesh trade and all that. I knew that everyone knows that he was a bad man, but he loved her. Whatever, I don't know. Bottom line, even criminals have a heart to love. 5 stars.